about the vote chori and other issues being taken up by the Rahul Gandhi. What is this letter and what do you want to convey through this letter?
We want our countrymen to know that Rahul Gandhi and Congress party, and particularly Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition, is actually attacking constitutional bodies. Initially, he attacked Indian armed forces. Then he attacked the about neutrality of the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Then Parliament challenging their authority. What is this? And now vicious campaign about Election Commission of India's neutrality. If they are doing SIR, it is with the purpose of free and fair election. Those who are fraudulently who have managed election cards, they should not be voting. If they are not Indian citizens, they should not be voting in Indian election. So that is what Election Commission of India is doing. Why should it not be done? It is their mandated duty. Why should a Rohingya or a Bangladeshi or any citizen of any other country other than India vote in election in India? So Rahul Gandhi launches a vicious campaign about election commission. This is not done. You are targeting constitutional bodies. It is not done. You play a constructive role. You should appreciate this. And when you were in power for 60 years, there was booth capturing, murders, repoll. I remember T.N. Session, when he was Chief Election Commissioner, he had to order thrice repoll in Bihar. This time, not even one repoll, not even one incident of violence or booth capturing. So free and fair election has been ensured. That is why the results are before the people. And why should Rahul Gandhi cry about it? He should look his past. I think what Election Commission is doing is absolutely right for mandated under the law.